Hello everybody! In this video, I want to show you how you can adjust your presets in sections. Let me quickly find a preset that fits the image I have opened. Well, I like this one. Lightroom has an off switch for each section for deactivation. You can use it to turn off and on all parameters of a particular section together to check how they affect your image. If you have the feeling that the settings of a certain section are a bit much, but the specific look would be lost by deactivating this section, the Section Adjust plugin is just the thing for you. On a Mac, you can open the plugin by using the shortcut Ctrl+S, and in Windows you have to call it up via the menu. In the plugin, you'll find a separate slider for each section which you can use to increase or decrease all settings of the respective sections simultaneously. If the control is all the way to the left, you see the same result as if the section were switched off. Since the individual RGB curves are mainly responsible for tinting the image, and the overall tone curve as well as the parametric curves only change the contrasts, the curve section in our plugin has two controls. In addition, the entire preset can also be decreased or increased via the master control, and the individual sections can be locked via the corresponding checkbox. Sections that have previously been adjusted and are not locked will react in relation to each other when the master control is moved. The white balance is disabled by default since we usually want to keep the initial neutralization. If the white balance, however, is a key component of a look, something I don't think is the best of ideas, you can activate the checkbox at any time. If you have made all of your adjustments, you can confirm them with OK in the plugin. Canceling would reset all plugin adjustments and return all Lightroom values to their original state. Have fun editing your presets.